Jai Jagannath, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Let's talk about how to use our subconscious mind to achieve our goals. Okay, I'm going to share 10 powerful steps that will definitely help you to get whatever the things that you want in your life. Okay, what if I told you that your subconscious mind could help you to achieve your biggest goal? It is true, we can use our subconscious mind to get whatever the things that we want in our life. Okay, it is not a magic. We have to just train our mind and we have to work towards it, and definitely we'll get that thing. Okay, let's talk how can we get whatever the things that we want in our life. The first thing is be clear about what you want. You have to be clear that which thing that you want. Like for example, it could be anything. Your subconscious mind work better when your goal is specific and well defined. So if you have a specific goal, there would like more than 90% chance that you will get that or you will achieve that goal. Okay, because I'm giving you an example. If you go to a shop and ask to a shopkeeper, I want a thing or I want an object, but you don't know which thing that you want, do you think that the shopkeeper will able to give you the object or the things that you want? No, he won't be able to. Okay, but if you say that I want charger, okay, and if you say I want say mobile, anything I want it, so definitely he can give you because you have a specific or well defined like things right now. Okay, that's why. So always be clear about which thing that you want in your life. Okay, next one is belief. Believe it's possible. You have to believe that whatever you are going to do or whatever the things that you want in your life, definitely you will get it. So self belief strengthen your motivation and keep you focused on your goals. So the more you believe in yourself, the more you will find motivation to work on your goals and to focus on your goals. Okay, so always believe in yourself. Next one is visualize your success. Spend a few minutes each day imagining yourself achieving your goals. For example, if you want to become a singer, then visualize yourself that right now you are in front of thousands of audience. Okay, you are on the stage and like um, singing in front of thousands of audience and they are really cheering you. Okay, they are really applauding you. Okay, so always visualize that thing, whatever the things that want, in which way you want to live the life, always visualize it. Okay, next one is use positive affirmation. Repeat empowering statement that reinforce confidence and commitment. So you have to use some like positive affirmation about yourself. If you want to become a singer, then you can say I'm the best singer, and when I sing, like lots of people really listen to me. Okay, so use some positive affirmation to you. So you can say I'm confident, I am rich, I am. By using I am, like you can make any sentence. Okay, so you have to use this type of positive affirmation. It's very helpful. Okay, next one is focus on solution. Train your mind to look for opportunity instead of obstacle. Yeah, we know that like there are lots of problem and obstacles that we have, but we have to train our mind that we have to always focus on opportunity. Okay, try to solve the problem. Okay, so always look for the opportunity. Okay, don't dwell on the problem. Okay, so always focus on solution, it will definitely help you. Next one is eliminate negative self talk. Replace thought like I can't with I can. Learn and improve. Don't say that I can do it, always say I can do it. If I don't know, then I will learn. After that I will do. Okay, so if I don't know, then I will definitely learn it. That's the like thought, or that's the thinking that you should have. Okay, next one is take consistent action. Your subconscious support the habit you practice every day. Action is essential. No matter what you think, no matter what you visualize, no matter what the affirmation that you do, until or unless you don't take action, you are not going to reach your goals. You are not going to get whatever the things that you want in your life. So it's very important to take action. Okay, so you have to take action. Okay, for your goals, for the things that you want in your life. Next one is stay patient. So meaningful result take time. trust the process and keep moving forward. You have to learn how to stay patient because it's very important. Patient play an important role to get the things whatever we want in our life, because instantly we don't get anything. We have to learn how to be a patient person. Okay, so meaningful result take time. Trust the process and keep moving forward. Always trust the process. It will definitely happen. Believe in that and keep moving. Always work on your goals. Okay, it's important. Next is build positive habits. Small daily habits. It's help you to strengthen your mindset and bring you closer to your goals. So every day, like you have to build new positive habits. Okay, if you are not doing anything, then you can like start a small habit like reading 5 minutes. Okay, writing 10 minutes, anything, any positive, like doing exercise. Okay, so that's all of the things that you can do, whatever that you would like. Okay, so build positive habits. It is very important. Last but not the least, never give up. Okay, so persistent keeps your mind focused and increase your chance of success. You have to be persistent. You have to work on yourself consistently. In one day nothing will happen, but if I work on myself for a long period of time, day will come, everything will be possible. Okay, so it is very important that we don't need to give up on the things that we want in our life, or the goals that we want in our life. Okay, the goals that we want to achieve in our life. Okay, so I hope this video will help you to get the things, to attract the things whatever you want in your life. Okay, if you found this video is helpful, just like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel, that is Mindset with Neheru. Thank you for watching our video. We'll talk on another video in another topic. Okay, bye.